What if I told you that in 2026, you can leap into media buying faster than ever? Imagine combining an AI coding assistant with Meta Ads Manager. At first, that may sound strange. Most beginners envision learning ad copy, campaign structure, and audience targeting. They don't think of using something like Claude Code. But that's exactly why this is crucial. Claude Code helps you work across files, run commands, and build tools quickly. Meanwhile, Meta Ads Manager is the core platform for creating and managing ad campaigns. When you combine these two powerful resources, it changes everything. You transition from a beginner clicking around to a savvy operator who builds, automates, and analyzes effectively. This isn't about becoming a software engineer. It's about enhancing your marketing capabilities. In this video, I'll show you how merging Claude with Meta Ads Manager can launch your media buying career. You'll build real leverage and stand out from others who follow the conventional path. Let's start by understanding Meta Ads Manager. This is Meta's all-in-one tool designed for ad creation, management, and performance tracking. It's the environment where budgets are managed, audiences tested, and creatives launched. For a successful media buying career, knowing this platform inside and out is essential. Now let's discuss Claude Code. It's designed to help you automate tasks and organize workflows using natural language instructions. This is vital because today's top media buyers think systemically. They analyze patterns, build tools, and streamline processes. With basic knowledge of Claude Code, you can enhance your media buying workflow. You can create practical tools like reporting dashboards or creative testing trackers. This elevates your position from just someone launching ads to someone improving ad operations. If you're starting from scratch, don't try to master everything at once. Focus on learning core media buying fundamentals. Understand objectives, audiences, ad sets, creatives, and key metrics. Use Claude Code to enhance your learning, not to replace it. This distinction is vital. AI is powerful, but it can't substitute strong thinking. The first phase is straightforward. Learn Meta Ads Manager, use Claude to sharpen your workflow, and build small tools to improve your effectiveness. Now let's bring this to life. Imagine running practice campaigns. Don't just watch videos passively. Build an active learning approach. Create a tool with Claude Code that prompts you for campaign objectives and outputs a planning sheet. This may seem minor, but it's significant. You're starting to think in systems, a crucial skill in media buying. Now, consider employability. Clients or employers want proof, not just passion. Combining campaign strategy knowledge with the ability to build tools makes you much more marketable. Your portfolio can include mock campaigns, creative analysis sheets, and reporting tools created with Claude. Showcasing your ability to think like an operator sets you apart. Some might ask, why coding for media buying? While basic ads don't require it, the real question is what makes you more valuable and efficient. A media buyer who understands both Ads Manager and coding has a tremendous advantage. Claude Code simplifies building and automating tasks, reducing barriers to entry. You don't need elite programming skills, you just need to know how to direct tools effectively. Let's outline a career path. First, deeply learn Meta Ads Manager's environment. Understand campaigns, ad sets, and reporting. Next, learn key media buying metrics and terminology. After establishing that foundation, start building one small project using Claude Code. Document your work with screenshots or videos. This builds proof you can showcase for future opportunities. Then leverage this proof to secure internships or junior roles. Position yourself as someone creating a modern media buying skill set that combines AI with campaign execution. Projects you can build with Claude should be simple and practical, addressing friction points in your workflow. Using Claude Code not only builds valuable tools, but also sharpens your thinking. When instructing AI, you quickly identify areas to improve in your logic. Remember to integrate your learning. Don't just dabble in both Claude and Meta. Let one enhance the other. Focus on execution. Follow this blueprint. Learn Meta Ads Manager's structure. Understand media buying metrics. Get comfortable using Claude. Build practical tools. Document your work. Apply this knowledge to job opportunities. It's essential to transition from "AI will do everything for me" to "I will be a marketer who uses AI to think strategically." The media buying field is still thriving with genuine opportunities. Brands need advertisers, agencies want skilled operators, and campaigns need solid analysis. Those who adopt an AI-enhanced mindset will rise above traditional ad managers. By starting now while others lag behind, you can accelerate your career potential. So, if you seek to launch a media buying career that feels modern and differentiating, this is your path. Learn the platform, use AI to boost your skills, and think systematically. Transform yourself from a beginner into a media buyer with an unfair edge. That's your game plan.